Hi, my name is Chris Hart. I'm a cartoonist and author of many books on how to draw cartoons, which I hope you'll take a look at. Today, I want to give you a hint about drawing expressions. A lot of times we think of expressions as like big things. We're going to express a lot of energy, a lot of mood, but sometimes subtle is better. And I'm going to show you this on the 4 basic expressions, which are the 4 H's. Humph, haha, and huh. Really, I'm serious. Take a look. We'll do it it's going to be very easy on this one character with all the faces omitted. So the humph is eyeballs half submerged into the eyes, or in this case, the eyeglasses. Very important. Once you have the eyes half submerged, you're almost there, because it's sort of a skeptical look. And the mouth, the lower lip goes up and down at the side, just like that. A couple of just easy diagonal eyebrows, and that's the look. Not too happy. And a retro character, by the way, it's not so much how you draw the eyebrows, it's where you put them. They're always close to the nose, not far away. Next one is the kind of look. He's got a good idea. Another H, ready? I'm going to stick the eyes in the corners like this, also half submerged, but only because they're tucked into one side. That gives a character a little energy, because it's kind of darting in one direction like that. You see that? And now we're going to push the mouth out here and then bring it up. Push it here and bring it up. But we're not just going to have a smile face. We're going to have the upper part of the mouth pull out like this and bring it back, curl it up. Kind of a sly look. And a little mark just below the mouth. He's thinking something good. Again, eyebrows up this time, not down, but they're still going to be in the same place. Exact same place. Not much work on those eyebrows. It's kind of a fun look. I particularly like doing this one, because he's facing one direction, but the eyes are darting in another direction. Okay, now let's try this. The next one is the ha-ha. We all know the ha-ha, and they're great for glasses. I mean, glasses are made for this. I think that's why ophthalmologists made glasses. Just a guess. Okay, so very round, upside down U. One side and upside down U in the same level. The other side. Got to be the same level, so it doesn't draw attention to itself. And again, eyebrows up, right in the middle, because this is a retro type character. Now we have to give him that smile. So we'll bring this out again, bring out that little beak-like smile, all the way up, almost touching the glasses, like that. Nice big smile. Now really bring this down, but not wide. You see that? It's deep, but it's not wide, doesn't come back. Bring that little bit of that chin up, that lip, and we'll make that prominent with a little marking there. We'll also give him a tiny row of teeth. 1, 2, and 3. And the little tongue, because he's in the middle of a laugh. That's fun, isn't it? Everyone likes that. So just a good looking, fun expression. For the last one, the huh? This one is different, because this one has the eyeballs floating in the middle. Very important that they float. They shouldn't be too big either, because eyeballs actually in expressions can change. They can shift. That's actually a physical fact. The happier you are, the bigger the eyeballs appear. It's a subtle thing, but we don't make it that subtle in cartoons. We really kind of exaggerate it. So this is, you see how much smaller these eyes are, these eyeballs than these? Now we'll make the eyebrows the same place, but a little uneven. Here we go, a little uneven. So it's like, what? Now, we'll leave the top of the mouth open. We'll leave that out, omit it, because he's not pulling to one side. See, this is pull to one side, pull to one. This isn't. This is like a little on a slant here, the upper one. Again, narrow mouth position, not really wide, but deep, goes down deep, like this. And the bottom one goes up, like that. Again, we'll show the marking. And a little bit of tooth here. You can put a little black here to show the inside. Maybe a little bit of sweat. And then you got it. So those are some ideas how to make big expressions with minimal effort and not overdo it. Well, I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe and I'll see you for another one of my videos next time. Bye-bye.